We know that Kabza the small have Thatohatsi and the Abantwana bam. And you can hear the soul preview. We know how can you mix Nkosazana daughter and Thatohatsi. Kabza the small is real one to make. Let me quiet and listen to the song. You can see when Thatohatsi start you should be scared. Once you should be scared. It's gonna take over. Nkosazana daughter, are you shaken by that? Haha, yeah. That Nkosazana's daughter, this. If you can hear Thatohatsi. I want to wake up and do or more in it. Maybe no more out here. Maybe we can become a sangoma. Damn, that voice, that beat, everything is moving but nicely. Damn. Make sure you do subscribe and comment what I can check next. Maybe I can check yours.